Today we are unboxing the Batavia Maxxgrip cordless screwdriver. It has a quick release bit holder, so it's easy to switch from bit to bit, and has a non-slip handle feature, which makes screwing in a dark area in combination with the built-in LED light much more easier. Also a nice feature is the USB cable where it's able to charge itself, but fear not, you can always use it as a manual screwdriver, but I'd rather do it the faster way. And a nice note is that you can easily take the screw out by reversing it with just a click of a button. Anyway.